हाय फ्रेंड्स, सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू जिनको इंटरव्यू कॉल आया है फॉर भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड एंड एग्जाम वाज कंडक्टेड रिसेंटली एंड CBT was conducted and now interviews are from 26 Feb to 3rd March. Let me tell you something about BEL interviews. Many questions are asked from your BTech, MTech projects and your internships because this is the company which is project based company, like lot of projects are going on and you have to complete those projects. तो आपको बाद में बेल ज्वाइन करने के बाद इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी टीम के में काम करके आपको प्रोजेक्ट्स करने हैं और इसलिए वो प्रोजेक्ट्स आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. सो व्हाट प्रोजेक्ट यू हैव डन इन बीटेक, व्हाट प्रोजेक्ट यू हैव डन इन एमटेक और व्हाट प्रोजेक्ट यू आर डूइंग इन एमटेक और आपने इंटर्नशिप कहाँ से किया और उस इंटर्नशिप में क्या सीखा. सो I have observed that many candidates, many students, those who have done their graduation, they don't do their project seriously, and there is a reason. The interview panel knows it, who do not do projects seriously. Students do not do the project seriously and they ask you question from there and you lose the confidence. Now what is the best way to not lose confidence and answer questions about projects and internship in proper confident manner? You need to conduct your snaps and mock interviews with the mentors of your PDR related to your project. So whatever project you have done, couple of questions you can always answer. Number one, you should be very fluent in telling the name or the title of your project. What was your BTech project? Sir, my BTech project was this. Name should be very clear. Okay, from where you got the idea to do this project, why you did this project at the first place. Many students do not answer that. Sir, professor gave me, sir, we were not having any idea. So do not give any sort of excuse. If you say, sir, COVID चल रहा था, sir, we could not get this, मेरे कॉलेज में प्रोजेक्ट नहीं होता है, these look like excuses. You have to tell, sir, we got this idea because my professor was running this particular project and some master students were also working under him, so he gave this idea to me and I liked it, so we did this project. जो भी आंसर है वो I will help you in that. So why you did this project? What is new in this project? What were the outcomes of this project? What was your contribution into this project? कितने टीम मेंबर्स थे इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर जिन्होंने मिलकर काम किया और आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन इसमें क्या था? Did you face any problem in doing the project and how did you overcome it? So ये प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. इंटर्नशिप आपने कितने मंथ्स का किया? हाउ मेनी मंथ्स ऑफ इंटर्नशिप? 1 month, 2 months, हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? And in the internship, what could you learn about the internship? What could you learn about the organization? What did you give back to the organization? जहाँ आपने internship की, what did you give back to that organization in the internship? So you joined the internship. So what did you do in that particular internship? So what did you learn in that? So many students say, sir, we only observed. They did not let us touch the machine. They did not let us do anything. Again, the excuses. आपका आंसर शुड नॉट लुक लाइक यू आर गिविंग एक्सक्यूज एंड स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट गिविंग एक्सक्यूज एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस. जैसे ही आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं इंटर्नशिप का, ओके, व्हाट डिड यू डू देयर? सर, वी वर नॉट अलाउड टू डू एनीथिंग, वी कुड नॉट टच एनीथिंग, वी ओनली ऑब्जर्व्ड, वी ओनली डिड दिस. सो ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू मार्क्स ऑन दैट. You need to, even if you have not touched, you still need to tell in a particular way that what was your contribution, how you used to engage yourself. आप एक मंथ के लिए per day how many hours? 5-6 hours. So 1 month 5-6 hours. इतने घंटों में आपने कुछ भी नहीं किया. So they don't give you credit for that. And if you're doing MTech, they expect more from you, like you have started doing your project of masters. So what are you doing in that? So आपका क्या था प्रोजेक्ट में, आपने क्या किया था? And I tell many students that written exam की तैयारी ऑब्जेक्टिव होती है, उसमें चाहे बिना लिखे तुम तैयारी कर लो, बिकॉज आजकल सारा लर्निंग कंटेंट आपको अच्छा मिलता है तो आप कर सकते हो, उसमें योर PD आपको देता है एंड सारा आप तैयारी करते हैं. इंटरव्यू की तैयारी लिख के करनी चाहिए. आपको अजीब लगेगा कि साहब रिटर्न की तैयारी लिख के करनी होती है, इंटरव्यू की बिना लिखे करनी होती है, बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, रिटर्न की एग्जाम की तैयारी बिना लिखे करो और इंटरव्यू की लिख के करो. व्हाई? इंटरव्यू में जैसे अगर आप जॉब एक्सपीरियंस आपके पास है, इफ यू हैव डन जॉब एक्सपीरियंस, राइट 1 page व्हाट एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव इन द जॉब, बिकॉज जॉब से भी बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछता है. इफ यू हैव डन जॉब और इफ यू आर डूइंग जॉब, ही इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम देयर. सो प्रोजेक्ट में से क्वेश्चन, इंटर्नशिप में से क्वेश्चन एंड योर जॉब, these are the 3 domains from where the questions will be asked to you. So job mein what are you doing, what is your roles and responsibilities, and what actually is your contribution to the organization, what you have contributed to the organization. These are the kind of questions he will be expecting from you and you have to write it. If you write 1 page without saying what you have done in your project, BTech or MTech project, or if you write 1 page without seeing anything what you have done in internship, or if you write one page without seeing anything what you have done in job, I am sure you will be confident in answering the questions related to internship, project and job experience. But very less students are in position to write one page, and that is a problem. You cannot answer the question. I repeat, can you write one page about your internship which you have done without seeing anything? Can you write one page about your BTech project or MTech project? What is your project? Can you write one page in the job? What are you doing? Roles and responsibilities, contributions, everything. If you are in position to do that, you will answer there in the interview also. This is what you have to do. Likh ke karo. And needless to say friends, go for multiple sessions with the mentors of YourPedia on your job experience, internship, projects, and you will be very well prepared. Thank you.